Ubak Paul Lyngdoh Menteri Berikmi Ikatrat Social Welfare ke Sarkar Jilla bodu Chairman ke Regional Committee Penbejput dan West Coast Hills District ulah pentip baom sem lapha bor pulit CRPF sa Langpih ke beri ke wen ki jaka bahaban penbejput ha ke phase 2 lani ka wat ke baar Hynrei lapha ikitegi bor pulit tang shiki jaka bakhamjur ke jingiakynad Habakran sikilat pathai kubor kanok paisngi jogan riu tarik urisau arjar pulai ubak Paul Lyngdoh ulaong baga jella Meghalaya kanang penklan susu iki bor pulit bat menta ke jella kadon arjar sanspa angot ki pulit ki badang syak hikai ki ban sependap hakini ki benai bansawan ulaong ru baga sarkar kan khot thungkam thamai na kabenta 1,000 tli ki kam hakatanat pulit house number 1
See these are the final recommendation of the two regional committees. Since we are going also to the sites, that will form the basis of the final MOU. So you might have picked up name of a village, one or two, but finally it'll be what the two regional committees will recommend, and hopefully we will do that jointly, so that it becomes easier for the two state governments to then accept it.
The village that I was referring to was in the first phase of the MOU that had been signed. So
Okay.
There was
the first phase. This committee has a very clear terms of reference, and that includes only the unresolved part, not the part that was dealt in the first MOU. No, because as of date, reports that have emerged from Langpih does not indicate any possibility of skirmishes or conflicts. So these forces will only be deployed in high sensitive locations where troubles have broken out or have the potential of breaking out. See, if we send Meghalaya police, Assam will object. If Assam sends Assam police, Meghalaya will object. If we send paramilitary forces, central forces, some NGOs will object. If we do not send anyone, then also you will object. Then who do we send? We cannot leave that area as it is, unmanned, unguarded, because you are objecting to Assam police, Meghalaya police, central forces, army, navy, everyone. See, these are developments that show that the ice is melting, things are improving, and once the final MOU is signed, the border conflict will be a thing of the past. And you should also give us credit, for resolving a matter that emerged when I was barely a kid. We're supposed to complete everything within October. That is the site visit and submission of the final report. As soon as our counterparts from Assam are free, Mr. Patowari is currently on tour. Once he reaches Guwahati, we should be able to finalize on the dates. But everything will be completed within October of this year. We will try to come up with a report that both the state, the two committees share, which means it will be a comprehensive single report prepared by the two regional committees. That is bound to happen. It has been happening for several decades now, but I can assure you that once we are in a position to finally settle all areas wherever we have differences, which is now 6 areas. From 12 it now has come down to 6. Once that is in place, we will be able to resolve the matter. 2 is we are also strengthening the state police. You're aware that currently about 2,500 young youths are undergoing training. They will complete their training in the next couple of months and then join the state police. And apart from that, about 4,000 new vacancies will also be filled up subsequently, meaning by next year.
Congrats, Kyrwoh. We have a check up and
I not saying Atiar.
Ya,
Hila banit la syam tayoru. Sele yu. Dan Islam kendian.
Islam kendian. PE, tak kadau kolong kepokong san ban pat ya kapor.
Kalau kebadan kamban letas ya kekemishwa bendap lai benai ba armet kenang ba ikelung enom yo yu kenyang HIV hakaba ikmi bat ikelung kenyo kecing em kabakai kabakya bat Islam.
Dor no kapor.
HIV control.
Patas HIV ya lade hakabor ba pile check up ning bang haba armet.